I would like to know why I am in a cage and what I am being protected from.
Very short distance.
Oh.
They like to climb.
Oh.
She's jealous. Yeah.
So we are on the high street right now, and yeah. Buenos dias, guys, and welcome back to the Amazon jungle, where I have absolutely no idea where I am. All I know is that I should be in Brazil in about 5 more days of travelling up the Amazon River. So I can't pronounce the place that I'm at now, but I am here to see my jungle friends, so I thought that I would dress for the occasion, and I've been practicing my lines. Me amo Jake Sully, soy de la selva, en una diferente planeta. Now I'm gonna have to get out of this mask before I suffocate myself. Whew. That is much better. So, as I was saying before, we have come to find our jungle friends, and we're not going on a jungle trek because we could be walking, 5, 6, 7 days deep into the jungle to actually find any animals that are interested in seeing us. So what I have found along my path is a rescue centre where some animals have had to be rescued, and I think that is our best shot at trying to find some animals, some interesting animals. And I will be interested to see if just how they treat. I'm not looking for any animals that have been put in a cage on purpose, but I would be interested in helping some rescued animals. So that is what we're going to do today. So where I am is occupied by the indigenous tribe, and the population is only 5,000, but I'm not sure if you can see that there is prohibited signs around where you're just not allowed to go. And yeah, I would like to respect the tribe's wishes on where we go and where we can go. I mean, I'm not sure if it's just for tourists, because I have not seen one tourist today. I am the only white guy. So this is just like what I'm surrounded by. As you can see, it's just the odd little hut. And this is the road, this is the road that there's no cars here. No cars are here. It's just motorbikes, tuk-tuks. So I believe we're getting closer, and it is down here. You can see we've got a cute little dog here, and he's itching like mad. Hello. Itching. And there's many dogs with just their fur is they've just rubbed it off because they're being bit by the ants and whatever else is creeping and crawling on the floor. So I do feel for them. So I believe we're supposed to be going down here. And we're going to keep moving along here, or maybe it's down there. Yeah, it looks like it's down there. I'm pretty sure that is just heading deep into the jungle. I mean, that could be quite appealing too. But anyway, here we go. Let's go down here. I would like to know why I am in a cage and what I am being protected from. You can see I've just got a cage going all around me. Oops. Nearly got a strike on YouTube then. Oh, it nearly, not quite. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's just keep moving. It's cool. You know, everything's cool. Everything's cool. This is a rescue centre.
Yeah, this is a butterfly farm and rescue center.
For what animals do we have?
We have different monkeys, jaguar, tapirs, some free monkeys and some free birds.
So will I see jaguar?
Yeah, we make tours. If you wait a few minutes,
See?
I can be you guide.
Okay.
You see that is a macaw. It's a yellow, blue macaw.
Okay.
This monkey is an endangered species because the people kill to eat.
They kill these to eat them.
To
Oh,
eat
that's
them.
sad. Wow.
Don't know how to raise these monkeys. He was here with a broken wing.
Okay.
You see his wing?
Oh, he has
No,
got
it's
a
okay.
broken wing.
But that no is a problem because in real life
Ah,
they
hello.
fly very short distance.
Hello.
They like to climb.
Oh.
She's jealous.
So we're having a tour in a rescue centre at the minute, and they are rescued animals. You can see the parrot has like a broken wing, and you know these are endangered monkeys. So it's nice to see that this is, you know, legit. It's real, you know.
Yeah.
It's not all about tourism.
Yeah.
It's nice to see, you know. So yeah, let's see what else we can
Yeah.
find.
It's near to time to feed.
Hola! Look how big you are. Hola! Okay.
Jaguar is Pedro Bello.
Oh,
Pedro Bello is the
wow.
oldest jaguar in Peru. They have 22 years.
How old is? Why is she here?
Here, he was the second animal to arrive in this place.
Okay.
Because a hunter killed his mother. When Pedro Bello arrived here, was with desnutrition.
Okay. Is it not possible to let him go now?
No, because it's old, very old. They just live in real life 15 years.
Okay.
Because all the time they fight for food, for territory, for females.
Okay.
They in captivity can live to 20 to 25. He now have 22.
Oh,
It's a
wow.
miracle.
Wow.
He's for the reason
So this can be
gives us-
kept as a pet.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a big pet. You know.
Yeah.
So you can see, she has a bad leg.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sad. Oh, okay. Let's see.
Because these animals eat 30,000 ants every day.
30,000 ants.
Yeah.
Wow.
But we don't have that. For
Okay.
that reason, ask for veterinarians and nutritionists.
Okay. So they do just like to bite everything.
Yeah. We put food, fruits, peanuts, things they like.
Okay. No, thank you for that. That was really good.
So follow us. We are in
Yeah.
Facebook and Instagram now.
You will, yeah, I will do a good review on this because, you know, it is all legit. And so, yeah, thank you for that. So, that was the end of the tour. And I'm glad I did it. Because it was legit. I was skeptical about going at first, just for the simple fact that animals don't belong in cages, but some of them bigger cats, they couldn't walk properly. So yeah, I respect what they do. So what we're going to do now is have a look at the village a little bit more, because it's pretty interesting. So this is like the main street. Let's call it the high street. So we are on the high street right now. The buildings might not look like much, but it's all they need, especially in this heat, all through the year, all day and all night. I mean, technically it is winter right now. It does not feel like a winter back in England. Not a friendly doggy. Not a friendly dog. Not a friendly dog at all. This is the main square. So as you can see, it is it's a little bit different from all the other main squares that we've come across. Buenos dias. Now what we're gonna do is head back onto the boat and move further up the Amazon River. So I wanted to see that because I felt like it was going to be the closest I was going to get to some animals. So I have no idea what the next destination is, but I'm going to see you there anyway. So this is the port that I am getting the boat from, and as you can see, it's nothing special, you know. It's just a little port. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you up the Amazon River a little bit more. So that's me out on this one. So ciao for now. Hola amigo. ¿Es aquí? Sí. ¿Esta? Esta. Okay, gracias, gracias. Ciao for now.